international TikTok account has been one of the ways people are making money. And you having a UK or US or any of the eligible countries' TikTok account is easy to do that. Now, one of the ways you can do this is by maybe you have a relative in US, UK, Canada, sorry, not Canada, Germany, Spain, Italy, Japan, any of these countries, they can open it for you and give you the password you log in, all right? But if you're like us that do not have anybody over there, you can actually open it with your phone at the comfort of your home without VPN. All right. Now, without VPN, you can actually open your UK, US, Germany, TikTok account, yes. But if you can use VPN, you use whichever one, it is okay. But in this video, it is how to open it the easiest way. In 5 minutes, you're done. It's not even up to 5 minutes. It shouldn't be up to 5 minutes. Like 2 minutes, you're done creating your UK TikTok account. It is so many are actually earning through these means right now. Okay, now before I dive into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel, okay? And give this video a thumbs up. Drop a nice comment on the comment section so this video can go viral and YouTube can send it to more watchers, okay? There are countries that are eligible. So you know, we are US is number one of them, eligible for monetization. UK is one of them for eligible for monetization. Germany, Spain, Italy, Japan, and one other country. These are the 7 countries that TikTok pays their users for using their videos for adverts and the rest of them. So let's move on. Now, how do you go about this? Now, with your phone, the phone you're using to go through TikTok, you can actually use it to create that TikTok account with ease. But before I proceed to you opening it, there's something I need you to do for me. Now, I have a UK account. I got monetized in less than 2 weeks, but I will be dropping another video how I got monetized on TikTok in less than 2 weeks. All right. I will be dropping another video after this about that. All right. Now, let me tell you something. Any social media platform you open a new account on, please don't be in a hurry to start posting immediately. No, you open a YouTube, you open a TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Do not be in a hurry to start posting immediately. So when you finish opening this TikTok account, I'm about to show you how you do that. Please and please do not start using it immediately. What you do, do not start posting immediately. What you do, use that same TikTok you just opened. Keep scrolling, watch people's video. Don't go and spam like. No, just like few. But watch the videos. Go to people's life. For 7 days. Give that account time. Let the TikTok system know that the owner of this account is actually somebody and is a human. So when you open your TikTok, you see this. Now on the right hand side, you click on it. That is your profile. This comes out. Once this comes out, you click on the name where that happy chi is. That is where you keep clicking. You can see that is where I'm clicking. If it's not opening up, just keep clicking it. It will open. All right. Now when you click on that where you have that plus sign, this will come up. If you have too much account, up to 5 on it, please delete it before you start creating this account. Okay, if you have up to 5 accounts signed in, delete one. Now, let me show you my UK TikTok account. That is what I'm opening right now. All right, to show you that I have one of these accounts and I'm making money out of it. I do not go live. I don't do live stream here. Now, this is my UK TikTok account. You see it. You see the balance. Let me show you what I have there. I have about 5 point something pounds there. You see, this is showing pounds because it's a UK TikTok account. It is monetized, verified, everything. You see my subscribers. I have 21k subscribers on it already. Okay, so this is it. Okay, now for you to create, you equally go back to that happy chi or plus where you're seeing that red. When you click on it this way, you click on plus and add account. You see that last add account? That is what you click. Once you click on it, it comes in like this. First thing first you do is, you see where you're seeing Nigeria. Click on it. With that place you're seeing Nigeria, you see. Now, once you see it this way, just scroll up and look for United Kingdom, look for US, look for Germany, look for Italy, look for Spain, any of the country you want to use. But for me, I'm working with UK. Okay, so this is it. I'll click on UK TikTok account. All right. Now, once you click on it, they'll ask you to proceed. You proceed with your email address. Okay. Now you click on add your age, your birthday. Sorry. Add your birthday date. Remember, you must be above 18 years. So whatever the year you're adding, make sure you will be more than 18 years. So they will not take your account to be an infant account. Now, once you do that, the next thing is when you get here, please do not add your phone number. Go for your email address. Now, if you do not have any email address that have not been used on TikTok, create one immediately and use it. But if you have, just key it in. You're good to go. So, I'm getting my email, all right, that I've created, but I don't know. So I just have to go and check it. Okay. Yeah, this is it. Now, this is my new email that I created. Okay. I'll be using it there. You click on continue. You wait for it. Now they said, check your email. There will be a code sent to your email. Go back to your email, pull in the code. Go back to your email and get that code. When you get the code, you come back to TikTok and key in the code. Now I have done that and it brought me here. Create nickname. If you have any nickname you want to create, if you do not have, you can continue with this. Maybe later you change it, but let me just put I want to use this channel for more like horror storytelling, horror movie storytelling. So I'll just put horror. Okay, maybe I should just go with that. Let's just go with horror movie or horror story, Good. Now this is it. All right. You see it. Now let's know if this account is UK. See the account, it has been created. Now let's go to the 3 lines up. You see it. This is how it comes out. First, we need to verify if this is UK. Okay, so we'll go up, we are going back, go to the account. All right, go to the account, go to the account information. You can see this is UK. You're seeing the UK on it, right? So I had to zoom it. You can see it, account region. It is showing United Kingdom. Okay, now let's go back. All right, let's check our balance. Let's go and check if we'll be able to be monetized with this account. Okay, now this, you can edit your name, profile piece later, later. All this can be done later, but let's just continue. Now you see, click on TikTok shop. You see it. It is even showing balance 00, but the balance is showing there is giving us GBP. Now let's go back again and check if it is monetized. If it is monetizable. Now you can see it is on inspiration. Let's go back to monetization. Scroll this up. This is just an inspiration. They are trying to. Now you see, this is the monetization part. Let's see. You can see TikTok creator reward program. So you can see TikTok reward program. You can see all the monetization is showing already. That means it is monetizable. This is a UK TikTok account and it is monetizable. Now, and another thing that we need to do to make sure our account is go back to your account information. We need to put your phone number to secure the account. Which phone number are you going to put? Your country's phone number, your Ghana phone number, your Nigerian phone number, South African phone number. Any of these is what you put. So this is mine. Okay, I've keyed it in. Then they will send me 6-digit key code, which I will use to um verify. I've done that. They actually called me on phone and gave me the code. Okay, so I will go back, all right, and key in the. You can see I got a call. All right, this call they called me to give me the code. All right. They didn't send me message. They reached to me through call. So I've written down the code they called out for me. So what I'll do is key it in here. Once I key it in here, then my account is done. It's secured. Okay. You see that? Phone number added. Which phone number did I add? You see the two of them added. Now, this particular account is ready, secured. Okay. So once this is done, you have created your name. Everything you want to do is there. If you want to change your profile piece, you can change. Feel free. But before doing any other thing, do not post anything. Now, let's go back to this monetization. I actually want to click on that creators tool reward. Let's see if they will tell us we will not be monetized. Okay. Let's just see. Now let's wait while it is opening up because of network. Okay, it's take time. Now this is it. Creator reward program. You see it first. They said I have to be 80 years. All right, you see that? That is it. Now I'll be dropping video on how to grow faster on this account. Now once you're done with it, the next thing you need to do is start using TikTok. Use that account and be scrolling through TikTok. Use it to like people's video. Use it to connect. Use it to comment on the comment section. Please do not follow anybody yet. Do not follow. Do not subscribe. Just keep liking, commenting. Verify. Enjoy yourself with TikTok with it, but do not follow anybody yet. Give this account like 7 days before you start posting on this account. Give your TikTok account 7 days. Give it 7 days. Just keep scrolling enjoy the screen. 7 days. Do not for any reason. Do not for any reason. So this is how you create it. Okay. So you do not start with phone. So you do not start with phone number, you start with email address. For any reason, you do not have any email address that you have not used before. The email address you have to use must be email address you have not used before on TikTok. If you do not have, create immediately. The fact that you created immediately does not affect anything. Create it immediately and use it. Okay? So give your account time, if possible 2 weeks, 7 weeks, 1 week before you start creating content. Okay, so I wish you all the best. It's no longer going live stream. You can actually be sleeping and be making money. Okay.